Here is the fourth question from this unit assessment. Calculate the lengths of side x in the right angle triangle below. Well, this is a trig question, so the first thing I do on any trig question is label our diagram. This is the op, it's opposite the angle we know about. This is the height, the longest side. That makes this the adjacent. I then write out so, ka, toa. Tick the ones I know. So I know the opposite and the hypotenuse, so that's the O and the H. I then pick the one where I have two ticks together, that's the so. And so, remember, you can always use your formula list at the front of the paper is opposite over hypotenuse. Once I do that, I substitute in my value. Angle in this one is 65, so sine 65. Opposite is x, and height is 10. I then rearrange it so that I get x on its own, so I'm going to times by 10. So I'm going to get x is equal to 10 times sine 65, and I put that in my calculator, and I get that x is equal to 9.1 centimeters.